Hello there, this is your boy Software Sensei. In today's video, let's use positions in CSS. So, enough talk, let's get it. If you're new, like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. Okay, so let's create the div ID. We use a box ID here. Actually, you know what, let's use a class instead. So we'll name the div ID as box1 and box2. Okay, cool, so let's create some text. So I like to use class. So class, you use a dot, then now put box1. Okay, cool. So for the first box, let's set to width is 100 pixels. Okay, and border we set to color, give it that, so 1 pixel solid, black. Okay, and height is 100 pixels, let's call it. And background color, let's use a color, so cyan. Let's refresh. There we go. Now it's displayed, box 1 is displayed. And then yeah, so let's do box 2. So box 2, let's copy this and duplicate the second box, and we'll change the color, let's say to I don't know, blue. And this time we'll increase the width to 250 and height 200, and then box 2 you can keep it like that. Let's use the position attribute. So position attribute allows to style the box whether in a positional order, and depending how the box's size. So for example, let's set the position attribute to absolute. So here's the absolute property. So the absolute property displays the box where it covers the whole piece of text. So let's put height 0, and let's put top and right. Not height, but top this time, but right and right as well. Right 0. And here's the box 1 now being displayed compared to box 2. So what if I put top 10 and right 10? So as you can see here, if I put top right, it covers the second box text compared to box 2. Because box 2, I put as well position relative. As you can see here, I put box 1 absolute and second box relative. It will now it now overflows the first box in first box, which now describes on how the position will change. So let's change the width exactly to 200, and the height, let's put it to 150. Yeah, so if I put width 200, height 150 pixels, it shows no change with the second box. Okay, so let's set for box 1 the position to relative for both box 1 and box 2, and position relative. And let's use height 100 pixels and width to top 100 pixels, right 100 pixels. We use the same as box 2. Okay, so if I put negative 100, or if I put this time left, and left. As you can see here, the box now moved in a different position. This time, if I put absolute for both boxes, now when it comes to absolute, the box is now in a different position, but on top of the text. And now this has changed, especially with the position, but top and left is the same. We can modify the top, which is 150 and 150 for box 1, and box 2, let's say 1000. And yeah, I mean the text is now way at the bottom, which we don't want that because the box. Let's just halve it to 500 or 250 in a similar position. Okay, so for box 1, I modified box 2 to 350 pixels and top 250 pixels. So if I put top 350 and left 350, now is in a different position. Now if I put both box 1 to absolute and box 2 to absolute, now the boxes now interfere with each with the same element. So that's pretty cool, right? Hopefully you understand what I'm saying. I'm going to wrap up this video today. Sorry for the delay and the editing. I had to record the video with the loud background noises. It took me some time, but in the end I managed to record some bits for you guys. But yeah, let me know about the video and comment down below if I missed out any positions in CSS. And yeah, this is your boy Software Sensei. I'm out. Peace.